What is penetrance? It is ability of gene to produce it to the individual phenotypic characteristics. That is called as a penetrance. Okay. So a set of genes, it is expressed to the measurement of phenotype. This character is found to phenotype. That is called as penetrance. That is called as penetrance. The penetrance is basically two types. One is complete penetrance. The another one is also called as a incomplete penetrance. And next one, incomplete penetrance. What is complete penetrance? It is a gene is dominating character. In this participated gene is dominating character. It is completely homozygote condition. It is completely homozygote condition. It is dominating to the heterozygote condition of gene. That is called as complete penetrance. That is called as complete penetrance. This best example for red pea plants. It is represented by capital R and another white pea plants. It is represented by small r. It is represented by small r. Both are crossed to produce capital R, small r. Capital R, small r. That is, R is dominant. R is dominating character and another small r is, this is expressed character of the phenotype. The complete penetrance, it is produced to the homozygote conditions. It is produced to homozygote conditions. It is the best example for complete penetrance. Drosophila. Okay, the Drosophila was expressed to the individual of phenotypic character in the presence of homozygote conditions. That is the best example for complete penetrance. Okay, the another example for Gonia pigs, it is formed to the set of genes homozygote conditions. It is finally character is observed to the heterozygote conditions. The homozygote conditions to produce the gene is dominating gene. It is best example for complete penetrance. Okay, the next comes to the type 2. Type 2, incomplete penetrance. Incomplete penetrance. What is incomplete penetrance? It is the most important of the genes. It is both conditions, homozygote condition and heterozygote condition. It is not depends upon one direction. That is called as incomplete penetrance. Incomplete penetrance. It is used to the directions for both sides. It is arrangement of the gene pairs. It is arrangement of the gene pairs. The incomplete penetrance, it is best example for diabetes. Best example for diabetes. The complete penetrance was best example Drosophila. It is incomplete penetrance, best example for diabetes. Millions. Okay. It is used to the incomplete penetrance is analysis of gene is coming to the first one, incomplete penetrance. It is some genes as act on the both homozygote conditions, heterozygote conditions. The homozygote conditions and heterozygote conditions, it is involved in the particular gene analysis. So that is intermediate role of the phenotyping. So that is called as incomplete penetrance. That is called as incomplete penetrance. It is incomplete penetrance. Best example, diabetes mellitus. It is example was incomplete dominance. It is used to the polytesterol. Polytesterol. It is polytesterol in this man was a phenotypic condition was observed. It is basically observed to the natural of 5 digits limb. Okay. That is polytesterol expressive character. It is the overproduction. It is a addition of phenotypes. It is addition of phenotypes. It is a 6 hand finger or light fingers, etc. Okay. It is polytesterol. It is a homo condition. P is represented. It is condition of phenotypic modified to the hetero PP. Okay. The polytesterol is less than 70% to produce this condition is also called as a diabetes mellitus. Okay. So it is the best example for incomplete penetrance. Incomplete penetrance. The next one, it is a diabetes mellitus was carried to the generation of one generation to another generation. It is arrangement of the gene pairs. It is arrangement of the gene pairs. The diabetic mellitus, it is a naturally carries to the one to another place. One place to another place. It is a best example for blood sugar. Okay. That is called as incomplete penetrance. That is called as incomplete penetrance. So again once repeated, what is incomplete penetrance? The incomplete penetrance is present in the both conditions, homozygote condition and as well heterozygote conditions. It is the best example for diabetes mellitus. Okay. It is the analysis of the experimenter. It is a polytesterol. It is used to the man is capable to the natural condition. It is crossed to additional species of 5 digits limb everyone is naturally happen. It is a polytesterol affected to homozygote conditions and heterozygote conditions. It is formed to the 6 digit limb. Okay, that is called as hand limbs or leg limbs. Okay, it is the homozygote conditions of polytesterol. It is represented by P. It is phenotypic condition is crossed to the heterozygote, that is a P. Okay. In the presence of incomplete penetrance, polytesterol is less than 70%. It is crossed to the diabetes of mellitus. Okay. Everyone, the diabetes mellitus in the presence of blood sugar. Okay. That is called as incomplete penetrance. Incomplete penetrance. The next one, the effect of environmental factor by penetrance. Okay, effect. Effect of environmental factor by penetrance. What is effect? It is a disadvantage. It is a disadvantage. So, the effect of penetrance in the environmental factor, it is most important of the genetical background. It is a genetical background. So what is genetical background? So it is crossed to the hereditary diseases. Okay, one generation to another generation, it is passed to the some diseases. It is like that example, TB. It is nothing but tuberculosis. So next one, cancer, and as usual it is a normal disease, it is a diabetes, etc. Okay, it is most important for the penetrance. It is the incomplete dominance is the best example for diabetes. The diabetes, it is carried to the food sources, that is nothing but carbohydrates. Okay, such as sugars, starch. Okay, the effect of environmental factor, it is most important of the genetical background. Okay, so ఇక్కడ మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సిన ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే జెనెటికల్ డిసార్డర్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అవి హెరిడిటరీ కండిషన్స్ లో వన్ జనరేషన్ నుంచి అనదర్ జనరేషన్, ఇట్ ఈస్ గ్రాండ్ సన్, okay, your grandfather, your father, and as usual next generation. So for example, is a father, son, again it is father to produce it to the another. So if the father was infected to hereditary disease, okay, వంశపారంపర్యంగా వచ్చేటువంటి జెనెటికల్ డిసార్డర్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ కండిషన్స్, అంటే జనరల్లీ జీన్స్ ద్వారా వచ్చేటువంటి కాంప్లికేషన్స్ అన్నమాట. ఓకే, సో nowadays it is a treatment, it is used to the diagnosis therapy. Okay, the therapy means this is a particular disease treatment is also called as a therapy. So one generation నుంచి another generation కి ఈ జెనెటికల్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ద్వారా వచ్చేటువంటి హెరిడిటరీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఇక్కడ ఇన్హిబిట్ చేయడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది, అంటే స్టాప్ చేస్తారు, నెక్స్ట్ జనరేషన్స్కి పాస్ చేయకుండా. ఇట్ ఈస్ యూజ్డ్ టు ది వ్యాక్సిన్స్. ఓకే, సో అన్ని డిసీజెస్ని వన్ జనరేషన్ నుంచి అనదర్ జనరేషన్స్కి రాకుండా ఆపడం అనేది జరగదు, ఇన్హిబిట్ చేయడం అనేది. ఓకే, సమ్ టైమ్స్ కంట్రోల్ కూడా చేస్తారు. సో స్టాప్ చేయలేకపోతే కంట్రోలింగ్ అనేది చేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ కార్బోహైడ్రేట్ ఫుడ్ ఇన్ ది సోర్సెస్ ఆఫ్ డయాబెటీస్. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ఎఫెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ in the penetrance. That's it.